Good afternoon. My name is Jim Leonick. I'm an attorney at Leonick Law in Commack, New York. Today, I want to speak about physical exams in personal injury cases. This is something that anyone who's involved in a personal injury case will likely have to go through, and it's not something that there's a lot of information out there in the world about. So I thought for our clients and those who are interested in looking at our services, you might want to view this video. So what is the purpose of the physical exam? If you brought a personal injury case, the opponent or the defendant in the case, the insurance companies involved, they have the opportunity to schedule a physical examination by a doctor or doctors, depending upon your injuries, of their choosing. Why is that? Because once you bring a personal injury case, you're putting your physical condition in issue. Your past injury related to the accident, as well as your future prognosis and your abilities that might be impaired due to that injury or multiple injuries. So they get a crack at having their doctor check you out, so to speak, to see whether they agree with the medical reports we might obtain from your doctors. They call this an independent medical examination. And it is far from independent. It really is a misnomer. I like to refer to these as defendants' medical exams, because really that's what they are. The doctors who are hired to do this type of exam are part of a panel of doctors that each insurance company vets and keeps in their stable, so to speak, so that they can send plaintiffs there to have examinations. Some of the doctors run mills, and you will show up in the doctor's office and there could be 50 people waiting to see that doctor for the same exact reason that you were there. Then when that happens, when you go in for the exam with that doctor, most likely you're not going to be seen for more than about 3 minutes. Yes, that's right, 3 minutes. And they give a report saying that they legitimately believe that they can opine or give an opinion about your condition based upon that 3-minute exam. If you have an orthopedic injury, they're going to simply have a range of motion test, have you see whether you can put your hand up like this or out like this and so on. And they may or may not use instruments to measure those things. They may just eyeball it and then write a report saying you're absolutely fine and you don't need any further care and you have no future limitations. So we send on most of our cases an advocate to go with you, someone that is not from our office, who is from an independent company, to go with you so that they can guide you and they can take notes so that if the doctor or their staff does something that is inappropriate or not within the confines of the rules we abide by, then they will be able to report back and, if necessary, testify at trial so that we can combat the faulty exam that was conducted. This is part of the personal injury process. It's something that I've been involved in for decades, and I'm happy to discuss it further with you if you have a case or you'd like us to bring a case for you. Thank you.